Really, before I started working with Blatchford, I was working really every day. Took very little time off for vacations. I would take off 1 week a year. And my wife was she was talking to me the other day about how she was really frustrated with us not having these family vacations. And since we've been with Blatchford, we're up to about 6 or 7 weeks of vacation, which is really nice for our staff. And that whole work vacation balance is really nice because dentistry is stressful, and to be able to be relaxed and to be able to be recharged and fresh for your patients is important. So we've really learned that balance much better. So before Blatchford, we were about a 1.5, 1.6, and we're over the 2 million mark now. But it is one of those things where, to me, it's way less about the money. It's more about being in a zone of comfort and being living fully and practicing your best. And when you're your best and you're the freshest, it's when you are the best for your patients. And being overworked and stressed and burned out is not the most productive way to be. So when we're relaxed and refreshed and we feel like that we are in our zone, so to speak, you do more. And the financial part of it is just a byproduct of being on your best game, so to speak. So you're performing the best when you are fully in touch with who you are and you're not burned out and you're actually effective and working efficiently. So all of the financial part comes as a result of being in your zone, so to speak. When I talk to other dentists about the program, most people don't believe how it works. They just can't believe that it works the way that it does. And the reality of it is I just dare you to try it, because it very much has worked for me, and it's worked for a lot of other people. And I just think it's a really good way for you every part of your life will be better in the sense of how you work more efficiently. And if you can leave more of your work at work and be more efficient with your work while you're there, then you can be more fully a better dad or a better wife or a better mom or whatever it is that you do at home. Every other part of life is more engaging when you leave more of the stress out of your life. All I would say to the skeptic is just imagine what your life would be if you were to remove that stress of dentistry that almost every dentist has felt. And in that moment, you have got to visualize a much more perfect version of yourself. And when you can engage in that, it will unlock a different side of life you haven't noticed. That's what Blatchford has done for me.